Hello everyone. So today I come from the Peak District. So today just started at Edale, camped up there last night. You might have seen some little clips beforehand. And now we're just making our way up Jacob's Ladder. So I'm with Ben, going alright. But oh, what a beautiful day. Bit rainy, bit showery, but apart from that, nice breeze, especially with our rucksacks on. Definitely a bit of leg day as well. So yeah, hopefully the next couple of days will be nice and keep it like that. So we're going to wild camp tonight. I'll show you later on the map of our trail. Also it'll be on all trails as well. But it's a good start to a good day. Getting there. How many kilometres have we done now, Ben?
16.
Woo! So our goal today is 22. That'll take us to the place we're going to camp tonight. And then we've still got some amazing little sights to see as well before we get there. So yeah, let's keep it going. This path at the minute is ideal. That's nice quick speed. I'm so hoping for an ice cream truck, but sadly there's not one there yet. So this is a wreckage of a B-29 Super Fortress, which crashed in 1944, killing all 13 crew. But it's just absolutely immense, the amount of damage. Bits left. So our Pennine journey comes to an end. The Pennine Way carries on north, but now we're heading east, finding our campsite for tonight and next adventures. But what a journey it's been. Highly recommend the Pennine. Anytime you get a chance, give it a go. It's pretty accessible to anyone. A little bit muddy and wet in some patches, but beautiful. Good morning everyone, hopefully it's not too windy, but what a lovely morning it is. So last night we camped at Bleaklow Stones, and yeah, it was an ideal spot really. We literally just got there in time. Sadly, throughout most of the trip it has been showers and raining, so by the time we pitched up had a bit of food, it started pouring it down. Only during the night, it was really heavy winds. But hey, let me just show you the view. It's not a bad view to wake up to, is it? So today's plan, so we're gonna make our way down there towards the back and loop down, and in the far distance go to the valley, go past the reservoir, and then right in the far distance on the other side of the hill is Edale. That's where we started off. So, as it's alright so far, it's going to be a good day. There's a little snowstorm cabin, just in case you ever get caught outside. Nice and cosy. So when I go for walks, I've got the Sawyer water filtration system. So it's very simple to use. All you do is fill up the bag, the water, place this attachment, it's got a little nozzle, and then using a clear bottle or a platypus, for example, and slowly you get nice filtered clean water. It's perfect for any event. A bit of history here. So this reservoir was the test dam for the dam busters during World War II, when they were practicing getting the correct bomb, the bouncing bomb, against the Germans. Testing here in the Peak District, which is as you can't see quite behind the trees, but there's a big run up. They're testing here. It's a cool little bit of history. Oh, so close now. What does that sign say, Ben?
Edale.
Woo! Only a couple of kilometres to go. Lovely.
Nice final feature.
Oh, so close now. What does that sign say, Ben?
Edale.
Woo! A couple of kilometres to go. We've only gone and done it. So guys, we've made it. Back at the car. How you feeling, Ben?
Oh, bad.
Yeah, I think it's just been one of those few days. It's been such a mixture of weather. Been having like proper downpour, heavy winds. Now we're all sunburnt. But so in total, we did 18 hours and 24 minutes of walking and 50.7 kilometers in total. So that's pretty good. And then 2,888 meters in elevation. So yeah, it's been a hard one, but been good for the body and the mind. But yeah, if you want to do the walk, I'll be posting on all trails. And also give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.